Leadership in a digital world means a couple of different things, and I think it means a real evolution, if you will, or a radical evolution of what leadership skills are looking at. Traditionally, a leader has been responsible for kind of knowing everything and being in control. And so the notion of control and command was a very important aspect of leadership. And I think going forward in the digital world, because so much of it is driven by people from the outside, by consumers and their expectations and their changing expectations, that leadership in the digital world is going to involve really two things. Number one is a fundamental sensitivity and openness, if you will, to say that my world is defined from the outside in as opposed to the inside out. So to see the world for what it really is as opposed to what I want it to be. I think that's one aspect of it. I think the other aspect of it is to recognize that inherently digital solutions and successful digital operations require a higher degree of collaboration and coordination. And so I think a leader not only has to be willing to see the world for what it is, but then also be able to bring people together in a way that everybody views their contributions as being recognized and positive to moving things forward. So not just orchestration, because orchestration is kind of directing the pieces, but actually how you blend those pieces together, I think, is going to be very, very important. First off, digital as a term right now is one of the most abused terms on the face of the planet. It's joined architecture and value as an abused and overused term. So to kind of simplify it, we'll put it this way. Digital is an adjective. Digital describes the nature of a customer or business resource. And that nature is when I take technology and I apply it to a resource to make it more information intensive and connected, it therefore becomes more digital. So I can have a digital customer relationship, I can have a digital chair, there can be a digital piece of equipment, there can be a digital meeting, etc., which is basically fundamentally the application of technology to increase the information intensity and connectedness of something. The term digital is perhaps one of the most overused terms we've had in industry, and certainly the most recently overused term in industry. And a lot of people equate possession of technology with being digital. And a lot of organizations feel very digital because they can see the IT systems, they can see the smartphones, they can see the analytics, etc. But they're not really a digital business. A digital business is one that takes an information-intense and connected set of resources, customers, products, services, business processes, events, information, etc., and combines them in new ways to create new sources of value. Now, the hallmark for a digital business is the actual creation of those resources, which we call digitizing. So the application of technology to increase the information intensity and connectedness of stuff. And that is the fundamental definition of what it means to be digital.